YouTube, what's up? Good morning, Nubs here again, back at Tampa Boys Customs. We got us a new project, guys. Let's check this thing out. Bam! We got us a 110 pit bike trike. It's not done yet. I gotta weld the axle in and do some stuff, but once I get it done, me and my little brother are gonna race his pit bike, that 125 pit bike right there, versus my 110 pit bike for pink slips. So let me know who you think is gonna win, guys. I think I'm gonna win. Let's listen to this thing real quick. Oh yeah, guys. New toy. I'll be riding her soon. Maybe not today because we got a lot of rain, but you see it? It's the 110 trike, the tank trike. See, there's the tank. Yeah, buddy. Guys, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Nubs out.
Mr. Adam on another jalopy here. Uh-oh. Popped the chain off.
Go! 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Boom. 420. 4.
I've been dreaming about believing in something.